Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today we're diving into 15 viral TikTok beauty hacks that will revolutionize your routine. From multi-use Vaseline to DIY BB cream, these hacks are game changers. Let's get started. Hack 1: Vaseline as a multi-use product. First up, the Wonder Product Vaseline. Let's start by applying it to our pulse points before spritzing perfume. See how it makes the scent last longer? Now watch as I use it to slick down these pesky flyaways. It's also great for protecting your eyelids when tinting your lashes, and look at that lip shine. Hack 2: Self-Tanning Face Contour. Next, let's turn that leftover self-tanner into a long-lasting contour. I'm applying it where I'd normally contour: cheekbones, jawline, and temples. Blend well and voila, a sun-kissed look that lasts for days. Pro tip: start with a small amount and build up gradually. Hack 3: Static Hair. Hack with tinfoil. Struggling with static hair? Grab some tinfoil, watch as I run it through my hair. It's instantly smoother and shinier. The science behind this? The metal in the foil helps neutralize the electric charge causing the static. Genius, right? Hack 4: Smooth Leg Shaving Technique. Let's revolutionize how we shave our legs. Instead of rinsing after each stroke, I'm shaving upwards, then gliding the razor back down. See how it pulls the hairs back down? This method not only saves water but also ensures a closer shave. Win-win. Hack 5: Eyeliner Wing with a Spoon. Struggling with winged eyeliner? Grab a spoon. Place the edge against your eye like this and trace along it. Perfect wing every time. This hack is especially great for beginners, or when you're in a rush. Hack 6: DIY BB Cream. Create your own BB cream by mixing equal parts moisturizer and foundation. Adjust the ratio for your desired coverage. This hack gives you hydration and coverage in one step, perfect for a natural, everyday look. Hack 7: Lipstick Ombre Effect. For a trendy ombre lip, apply a darker shade to the outer corners and a lighter shade in the center. Blend where they meet, and you've got a dimensional lip look that makes your lips appear fuller. Hack 8: Quick Eyebrow Tinting with Mascara. No time for proper brow tinting? Use mascara. A brown or clear mascara can quickly define and tint your brows. Just brush through for instant definition without the mess of traditional tints. Hack 9: Mascara Application. Hack: for longer, fuller lashes, try this two-step mascara hack. First, apply mascara vertically to coat the tips. Then switch to the traditional horizontal method for volume at the base. The result? Lashes that look a mile long. Hack 10: Blush Before Concealer. For a natural flush, try applying cream blush before your concealer. This allows the blush to blend seamlessly into the skin. Then, apply concealer as usual. The result is a more natural, glow-from-within look. Hack 11: Bobby Pin Hair Curling. Want heatless curls? Before bed, twist sections of damp hair around bobby pins. In the morning, remove the pins for beautiful, heat-free waves. This method is gentler on your hair and saves time in the morning. Hack 12: Setting Spray with Moisturizer. For a dewy finish that lasts, mix equal parts, setting spray and moisturizer. Apply this mixture over your makeup for a hydrated glow that stays put all day. It's like a setting spray and face mist in one. Hack 13: Nose Highlighting Trick. For a natural-looking nose highlight, apply it only to the tip and along the bridge without connecting them. This creates a subtle glow without appearing too harsh or obvious. Hack 14: DIY Lip Scrub. Create an easy lip scrub by mixing sugar with honey or coconut oil. Gently massage it onto your lips, then rinse off. Your lips will be soft, smooth, and ready for flawless lipstick application. Hack 15: Hair Ties as Accessories. Don't underestimate your hair ties. Wear colorful ones on your wrist as bracelets, or incorporate them into braids for added flair. It's a fun way to accessorize while keeping your hair tie handy. And there you have it. 15 viral TikTok beauty hacks that will change your beauty game. Which one are you excited to try first? If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your results using #BeautyHackQueen in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy hacking.